You're looking at a picture that's comparing the size of the Saturn V rocket with the Statue of Liberty and a human. The rocket weighs about 2,812,272 kilograms, which is about 703 Asian elephants. The rocket is 110 meters tall, which is about 18 giraffes. The rocket has 3 stages. The first stage is responsible for getting the rocket out of Earth. After the first stage was removed, the second stage was responsible for bringing the rocket to the moon. The third stage is for sending the rocket back to Earth. You might be wondering, where do the people stay in? Well, they stay in the command module. It's located over here. The rocket was built by NASA and it was made to send people to the moon. The rocket was launched on May 25, 1966 in Florida. Fun facts: Saturn V had 13 successful missions. Scientist Wernher von Braun created the rocket.